A parked truck isn't resting. It's burning money, payments, insurance, a load that isn't moving, a customer who's calling someone else. And when a fault light puts you on the shoulder, the truck shop's answer is usually a number and a date. Hundreds for the diagnostic, and we can fit you in next week. This is the iCarzone HD S700, heavy-duty diagnostics in your own hand. 1 day of downtime costs more than 2 of these. Let's plug into the rig. Open the case, and you can tell straight away this isn't a passenger car toy. The main unit, a 5-inch touchscreen running Android, 64 gigabytes of storage, Bluetooth 5 and Wi-Fi, the main cable, and then the 3 connectors that mark it as truck equipment, a 6-pin, a 9-pin, and a Cat 9-pin adapter covering the diagnostic ports the heavy world actually uses. Charger, USB cable, manual, all in the hard case, and it's rated to work from -10 Celsius. Because trucks don't check the weather before they break. Here's what makes truck diagnostics genuinely different. A car is one brand bumper to bumper. A truck is a coalition. A Cummins, Caterpillar, or Detroit engine, an Allison or Eaton transmission, Wabco or Bendix brakes, bolted into a Freightliner, a Kenworth, a MAN, a DAF. A tool that only speaks to one member of that coalition leaves you half blind. The HDS 700 ships with 37 brands preloaded, engines, chassis, transmissions, and brake systems. So whichever company built the part that's complaining, this speaks its language. Under the hood, that means speaking the industry's real languages. J1939, the standard bus modern heavy trucks run on. J1708, the older dialect for the rigs that have been earning for decades. Plus the full passenger car protocol set and CAN FD for the newest metal. Plug in, shake hands, start reading. The daily work. Pick the engine brand, pull the fault codes with explanations, not just numbers, and get into the live data that truck people actually watch. Boost pressure, exhaust temperature, DEF level, and the rest, streaming in real time. Coverage runs across the major systems: engine, transmission, ABS, airbag. Find it, fix it, then clear the code and release the truck. In that order. Now the 8 service functions, and every one of them is truck money. The headline act, forced DPF Regeneration. A soot-clogged filter puts a truck into D-rate, power cut, crawling speed, load at risk. From this screen, you command the region and drive out of the problem instead of waiting in line for it. Injector coding, so a replaced injector actually runs right. Clutch matching after clutch work. The cylinder cutout test to isolate a weak cylinder in minutes instead of guessing. Plus oil reset, brake pad reset, and speed limiter reset. 8 functions. Each one either prevents a shop visit or shortens one. And when the big rig is sorted, the same tool climbs down into the pickup. The HDS 700 is a 2-in-1. Heavy-duty diagnostics on one side, a full 12-volt OBD2 scanner on the other, codes, freeze frame, O2 sensor tests, EVAP checks, and I/M readiness before an inspection. The service van, the yard truck, the family car. One tool covers the entire lot, not just the tallest thing in it. The interface speaks 28 languages, from English and Spanish through Russian, Arabic, and Vietnamese, built for the people who actually drive this industry. And updates arrive with 1 tap over Wi-Fi, free for life. That matters most right here, because heavy-duty diagnostic subscriptions are the most brutal in the business. Annual fees that rival the price of this whole tool. The HDS 700's policy is one line: pay once, upgrade forever. One honest note on coverage: the 37 preloaded brands put you to work on day 1. If your fleet runs something beyond them, there's an extension software package that widens the net. Leave your email at purchase, and the iCarzone team activates it for you. Start with what's in the box. Extend only if your yard actually needs it. The HDS 700 once, with a 1-year warranty, lifetime support, and lifetime free updates. This isn't a gadget purchase. For anyone who owns a truck, it's the cheapest insurance policy against the most expensive word in trucking: downtime. That's the iCarzone HDS 700, the whole rig, 1 tool, 0 subscriptions. Link and full specs below. If this just kept a truck earning instead of waiting, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you under the next hood or cab. Your car, your zone.